Very good afternoon, friends. This is Commander Sudhir Kumar again, and today I am going to talk about a very touchy point, very touching issue which is so vital, so important to all of us in present circumstances. That is, I am going to talk about employment, that how we can employ our youth gainfully in India. Today, we have seen, every one of us has witnessed that huge migration of laborers. Those have gone from Indian cities to their villages. I take them, it is near about 8 to 10 crores. If these 8 to 10 crores people, youth of India, could be gainfully employed in the villages, I am sure it will be a major success for India, and I am sure that the way the huge amount of money which has been infused into rural economy in MSME sector and the allocation for Manrega, I am sure that this youth could be gainfully employed in the villages. MSME has to play a very big role in this, and I am sure that is going to be one aspect of it. Another is that I have talked about, let's have, the 1,000 hospitals, labs which is coming up at block level. The Honorable Finance Minister has already talked about it. Now I request that the 1,000 quality schools are coming up in villages, so that, and education may be made free till 12th, so that the people of poor, the wards of farmers, middle income group, if they could be educated into the best of the schools, that will be that these people could be converted as an asset, a future generation which will be skilled, could be gainfully employed the world over. I am coming back to it, that I do account now, after this pandemic is spread, that Indian employment is going to be at near about 15%. If I account 15%, it means near about 18 crore people. Near about 118 million youth will be looking for job, and many other will be having the change in their income. So how we can gainfully employ that? Now I am giving another idea of it, that in maximum private companies, you will find that the top 5 to 10% or 10 to 15% people, they get very high salaries. Their salaries are in crores per annum. They are having the shares of the companies. Here I would like to request these companies that please you increase the employment at a lower level. Skilled people, increase the base of them, reduce the pay structure, pay scale of these top 10 to 15 or 20% people, and then infuse this money, bringing the unemployment youth after skilling them, so that they become useful to your organizations, and it becomes a sustained progress. As far as I'm sure, if we do this, near about at least 40 to 50 million people could be gainfully employed with redistribution of work. The third thing is the defense manufacturing, electronic, high-tech equipments manufacturing, the ancillary parts which is needed to support defense industries or high-tech electronic equipments, that these ancillary industries under MSME should come up in villages. There again, huge amount of employment could be created, and it is being done in these two sectors itself. The lot of people could be gainfully employed. Now I am going to touch about the IT. Nowadays, like in IT, in cyber security, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data analytics, quantum encryption, quantum computing is, and cyber security professional, it's a huge areas of expertise where we can gainfully skill our youth and then employ it the world over. Another aspect which I feel very strongly, which has got a scope of near about 3 to 4 million people could be gainfully employed, that this is the time that we have to create people in disaster management initiatives, how to fight pandemic, how to have the maintenance of different disasters those are taking place in future, and how to take control of climate change, environment protection, and in these areas how we can remove plastic waste from our seas and from the use of our life, how we can restore the water table, and under Jal Sansadhan Mantralaya, water ministry, water resources ministry which has been created, it has won a scope to give employment to enough of youth. So with this collectively, I feel this is the time, this is an opportunity for India. One side that we are fighting the biggest war against pandemic, having near about 140 crores population. On the other side, we are thinking that unemployed youth, which is, say, I take about near about 18 crore to 20 crore, 180 million to 200 millions, could be employed, that if we take into consideration of points which I have made in my talk. I am sure we'll do collectively. Indian government will listen to my recommendations, will implement certain schemes with certain improvements, and I am looking forward to it. Thank you. Jai Hind.